Hey guys, down for World with Mr. Grey. I said that wrong. Hey guys, Hey guys, down for World with Mr. Grey. Dandalf the Grey. Now, before we get into it, any Sam and Colby fans here, there's going to be no hate from me. I don't hate anyone. Even the people who blanket state every single debunker shitters and toxic and haters. My haunted hotel, I'll get to you at a later date. But there will be no hate. I don't hate anyone, and that's just the truth. As I always state, I always stay out of the drama. You know, I stay out of it. I can't be arsed with it. I had it a couple of years ago. And, you know, I pretty much, done for me. I just want to enjoy stuff. I want to enjoy life and make the things I enjoy to make. So I was in work today. But, you know, sometimes there is something I have to say. And this time, it was Sam and Colby involving the Cody and Satori. Now, I made one video and one live stream back when this all kicked off about 2, maybe 3 months ago. In fact, it was 3 months ago, and the reason I know that is because it was exactly when Mythos Paranormal started his channel. Who, by the way, I will link down below. Go check out this video where we're going to be addressing now, because, you know, out of everyone who's covered Cody and Satori, Sam and Colby, he's covered them the most. He's the one who's gone into it more than any other channel, as far as I can tell. So I've linked his channel down below. Go check him out. I was in work today and I got 3 monitors in my workstation in work, right? Sometimes I'll put a video on the monitor whilst I work and play and think, you know, something that interests me. And look, ooh, Mythos Paranormal's put a video up. I'll check it out. It has Jason Hawes on there, who, by the way, we'll get to you, Jason. And Sam and Colby. I thought, I'll put it on. You know, I've heard everything I'm ever going to hear about them now, but I'll put it on just, you know, so I can carry on working. So I'm clickety-clacking away, doing my stuff. And then all of a sudden I hear either the blonde one, I don't know who's Sam or Colby, I don't know. Cody and Satori we believe are 100% real. I'm like, what? What? How did you get to this? So, the video I'm referring to is the podcast Sam and Colby did with this other group. I don't follow Sam and Colby, right? I'm a bit too old for the audience, put it that way. In fact, I'm way bloody old. Look at me. Look at me. I'm like a fatter Huff Paranormal. But anyway, I digress. So anyway, he puts up Sam and Colby did a podcast with another group. I don't know who they are. And obviously the whole Cody Satori situation came up. Now, as far as Jason Hawes, again, he seems like a good dude to me, right? He seems like a good dude. And I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what anyone says, what he says to other people. There is no way a father will throw their kid under the bus and say, yes, she's a faker. There's just no way. There's just no way, right? You know, maybe they'll have a word with them behind the scenes because, you know, Jason Hawes has come out and said, yes, they are real. Cody is Satori, you know, or Satori at least, I don't know. It just won't happen unless you're a shitter. Unless you're a shit-stained dad. No dad is ever going to say, you know, yes, my kid is fake. Go after her. It's never going to happen. So don't expect that from Jason Hawes. And I wouldn't blame him for it. I wouldn't blame him for not saying that. Even if behind the scenes he knows they're fake. And he's had a little word with him. Oh, little story, how dare you? Dare you sully my good name? You know, that conversation might have happened, but there's no way on this earth a dad is gonna throw their kid under the bus on over bloody YouTube videos. It's just never gonna happen. It's never gonna happen. Don't count on it. But anyway, just wanted to get that out of the way. So anyway, in the podcast, Sam and Colby, I never know which one. I think the dark-haired dude is Colby, I think. Like I said, I don't follow him. I don't know. But they're talking in the podcast, and you know, the podcast inevitably gets along to Cody and Satori. And what do you think? And, you know, Sam and Colby have done their debunking tests with them. Whatever. It is what it is, but one of the podcast hosts asks
methods.
Yes.
And nothing convinced us that it was fake.
Nothing convinced them that they were fake. Sam and Colby, right? When they were younger, they made prank videos and pretended that one of their mates died in a shootout or something. I can't remember now. You know, whatever. That keeps getting brought up as, you know, look how bad these people are. They were way younger than they are now. They're grown men now. I think they were like mid-teens when they did that. So I'm gonna give them a pass on that. We all did some dumb shit when we were kids, and I know I did. So they're fully grown men now, and you know they have a very good, very popular paranormal channel. And some people hold them up to a high regard in the paranormal community. Now, me being a skeptic, you know where I think of that kind of stuff, right? I'm not going to get into it. But now, there's two things happening here, right? Now, Sam and Colby, when they say, we can't see how this can be faked. Come the fuck on. You cannot be that dumb. You cannot be that dumb to think that there is a possibility that someone is faking something, even right in front of your eyes. You cannot be that stupid, Sam or Colby or both. I don't know which one's which. They've been the Cody and Satori. Like I said, I don't go into that shit. I can't be asked. They've been debunked numerous times. Whether you think they're debunks or not, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Even if you think it's not 100% debunked, there would have to, in anyone's logical brain, it would have to be that little tiny molecule of sense thinking, maybe they are faking it. Even if what you've seen, you're not convinced of the debunk, it doesn't matter. Your brain should be telling you, and you know, there's a lot of bullshit here. There's, you know, videos of Cody doing all the knocking stuff way before he ever met Satori. It's not a new thing. I'm not going to get into that. Like I said, Mythos has covered this in full many times. Other debunkers have also covered it. And it's one of the reasons why I don't go into this kind of, you know, the drama side of it, because then it becomes like a dog piling of all the debunkers going on to one person. And I don't like doing that. That's why I don't get involved with this stuff most of the time. But I do have stuff to say. And it does wind me up. Let's say Sam and Colby are not stupid. They're not stupid. They're very successful in life. They have a successful channel. I think it's 2 channels they have. One of them's got like a mid-level music career. I don't know. I'm not saying that as a diss. I don't know how well he does. Like I said, I don't follow him, so I don't know. But let's say they're not stupid, right? They're being very... I don't want to say deceitful, because deceitful means, you know, they're being very shady and evil. I don't think they are. But I do think they have a business to protect at the end of the day. Because don't forget, they did a full-blown week-long series in the Conjuring House with Cody and Satori as the main mediums. If that's what they're called, I don't know. So they have a business venture to protect. Because think of it. They came out, Cody or Satori or both of them said, you know, yes, we did fake it. We're sorry. We did fake it. You know, all the people then who were like defending them, who were showing, see, this is real. Look, she said my grandmother's name. They would look very dumb. And this is the same if you back any paranormal channel. No matter how good you think they are, if you back a paranormal channel and put your words down on video saying, yes, I believe these are real, it will come back to bite you. I don't care who you are. I don't care how big this channel is. It will come back to bite you. Because someone's going to find something. The people who were getting things thrown, having dolls speak to them in the darkness... I'm going to say it's all bullshit when that happens in any video. I firmly believe that. I firmly believe that anything being thrown in a video, anything being scratched in a video, dolls talking in a video, knocks in a video, is utter bollocks. Just my opinion. But, you know, but there are real paranormal channels out there. I say this all the time. You know, people always say, who do you think is real? I say there's plenty of real paranormal channels out there. Just look at the ones that never find anything. Or they, you know, use an app. We won't get into apps. People get annoyed with me when I go on about apps. What was my point? I can't remember my point. But the point is, Sam and Colby are not stupid, right? But on the other hand, they do have a business venture to protect. They can't just come out and say, yes, we believe Cody and Satori are fake. I don't think they'll ever come out and say that. Personally, I don't think they will. Because if they do... then they've lost a ton of credibility in their fans' eyes. I think that's what would happen. So I think they have to double down and say, yes, we think it's real. We can't see how it's faked. Like I said, you're not done, Sam and Colby. At least I don't think you are, anyway. But I do think you have something to protect. And that's fine. At the end of the day, it's just YouTube. Who cares? It's not life and death. I mean, if it's pulling the wool over vulnerable people's eyes, yes, I have a problem with that. But at the end of the day, it's just YouTube videos. Who bloody cares at the end of the day? I'm talking myself down now. But anyway, that's all I wanted to say. It just bothers me. It just bothers me when, debunkers get so much shit. We get so much shit. We're not all out to get you. But some of us just like pointing stuff out and just giving people another option of it's a ghost. And the option we give, for most of us anyway, is maybe it's not a ghost. Maybe it's bullshit. And you need to look elsewhere for your spiritual healing. But anyway, that's all I gotta say. And like I said, I hope I don't come across as hating anyone. I genuinely don't hate anyone. Even though I should sometimes. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. I genuinely am not worked up. It's just I rushed home from work for this. Damn it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you like this video. Leave a sub if you're new to my channel. I do this quite often. Go check out Mythos Paranormal. He's very good. I like his channel. He's slightly obsessed with Cody and Satori. But I like his channel. Anyway, thanks for watching and bye for now.